Seize the day, Stephanie here, documenting life at 22. Today, tayo ay magpapaka-leader estudyante. Outfit. Lilipat sa LRT. Hi guys, I am with Elron. Ang kanyang debut sa aking vlog.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Stephanie Jane Benjamin, representing the University of Makati Institute of Pharmacy.
Good morning, everyone. I am Elron Haven from University of Makati, incoming third year.
How are you holding up? Ganito na lang.
Yes. Resourcefulness. Yes.
Brain rot with Elron. Uusok na. Mga ganun na yung utak namin, be. We are done. Day 1 done. I was invited din na. Very thankful for the opportunity, although day 1 pa lang naman. Super ang daming natutunan and naging input. Various colleges and as well as faculties and members ng organization. Yung nandito and then share ng insights to improve the pharmacy in the Philippines as well as address gaps. Kami po ay nag-UP Pharmacy Tour.
Ang ganda, guys.
Ang lamig! Ay, ang ingay ko. Henry C. Hall. Hey, tapos na ang aming campus tour.
Thank you so much to the UPM.
UPM people.
UPM farmates.
It's day 2 of the Pharmacy Education Roadmap. I think we'll be discussing the remaining worksheets kasi yesterday nag-worksheet 1 to 6 tapos ngayon yung remaining na lang. Also, we gained friends from different universities na may pharmacy like UPM Arellano, CEU Manila, and U Manila. Actually, UPM is my Totga University. Ito yung state yun na may pharmacy din applied from UMAC. But then, wala. Maganda na nakita ko siya ngayon. Although, pa 4th year na ako. Education and practice.
Education practice. Yes. So, for facilities of an age, mental health program.
We are done! Done for dating. Ang mga batang di mapirme.
Ang mga batang kagagaling lang sa Pharmacy
Education
Education
Roadmap.
Roadmap. Aww.
Beijing Elron.
Minsan lang to, guys. Alam nyo, guys, lagi akong nasa bahay, natutulog lang.
Ako din.
Anong ako din?
Hindi pala, araw-araw pala ako lumalabas.
Hi guys, we're here today replenishing the memory of Stephanie. Kainis! We're here at National Museum of Natural History.
For the going up. Bawal daw po mag-picture dito sa beach.
So, pwede mag-video.
Ganda Ganun lang pala yun. Okay.
Tapos baba na. Baba na tayo.
Napatpat po ba? Seminar po ulit.
I-rescue ka galing sa mataas na lugar o mababang lugar, no? Pwede natin gamitin yan. Ang pinagkaiba kasi ni Squid, no? Ayan, pwede siya sa confined space. Pag-aani ng trabaho ng mga responders, ng mga rescuers. No? Hydraulic tools, meaning ang nagpapagana sa kanya, hydraulic fluid. No? So, halimbawa, ito yung pader, nakadagan na ganyan. Nakasalpak lang natin ito doon. Then, hayaan natin yung trigger na iangat yung pader. No? Sakyan, pwede rin gamitin ito. So, yan yung maximum niya. So, during Pasko yun, nagkandak pa rin kami ng operation, clearing operation yan. So, wala talagang pahinga. So, 1 month kami doon sa Cebu. 1 month and 5 days to be exact.
Bagyong Odette.
Yes, and then, nung pumutok din yung Taal Volcano noong 2019, dineploy din kami doon. Tapos, nung lumindol sa Abra, dineploy din kami doon. 1 week naman kami sa Abra.
Public health na to.
Public health.
Pharmacy. Motor and overspeeding. This day is essential. It's all about learnings.
It's all about learnings and related results.
Tinanong kami kung magkapatid kami. Opo. Kaya pala magkamukha kayo. Taas para.
Yung second floor natin and fifth floor, we have the moving art exhibit, which means every 2 to 3 months, lahat ng mga artworks doon is napapalitan. 6 floors, the clock tower mechanism, then 7 floors, the 360-degree panoramic view ng Manila.
Guys, nasaan kami? Manila City Clock Tower.
Manila. Oh, sorry. Manila Clock Tower Museum.
Bawal mag-video sa first, second, and fifth floor. So, nasan tayo ngayon? Nasa fourth floor. As a student council. Meron kami ano guys tatak. Siya ang ilaw ng tahanan. My mind. I love how my mind works. Hintayin po namin tumunog.
Mag-16.
Pag 60 na. Dito ka. Countdown. Ayun na. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! For the wrap-up of the day.
Wrap-up na agad.
Hindi, mag-ano pa tayo? Ice cream. Ganun pala guys, sarado yung mga museums all over the Philippines ng Monday. So, tama. Mag-elevator na lang tayo. Ito, exit.
I said it's fine. I feel
Dito pong space ilalagay arts ko.